Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a CE amplifier circuit using Multisim. So first of all, you have to grab all the components that you need for this circuit. The components that I need for this circuit, of course, I need resistors. So I'm going to search resistors. The next component that I need is transistor. As is a CE amplifier circuit, of course I need a transistor. If I click on transistors and I'm gonna choose the QN3904 transistor. Okay, need a capacitor. Ground. VCC. That's it. I'm gonna close my components and click on simulate instrument. I need a function generator and I'll also need the multimeters, which I'm gonna use later after connecting the components. So let's start connecting. I need more resistors. So if I look at the transistor, I'm gonna connect this transistor with a resistor, which is 1K ohm. So let me connect this. And I need another resistor, 100K ohm. I'm gonna copy this for the other side. I'm gonna change the value, which is 100 ohms, not K ohms. Then I'm gonna connect this 100 ohm resistor with another 300 ohms resistor. Connect it with a 300 ohm resistor. Then connect this 300 ohm resistor with the ground. This side, as we know, is the emitter. So I connected two resistors with the emitter and one resistor with the collector side of the transistor. Now I'm gonna connect this VCC with the resistor of the collector side of the transistor. So now from the middle, I have to connect the capacitor. Let me replace, and I could also show you guys how to replace a component using Multisim. Right click on the component and replace component. So I'm going to change the capacitor, right? So search for capacitors. Choose the rated capacitor. You could later change the value. I need the 1 microfarad. This is the microfarad capacitor and connect it underneath the resistor. Connect the resistor with the capacitor. So connect it and change the resistor to 10K ohm. And connect it with the ground. This is the base of a transistor. I'm going to connect the base with 2 resistors and 1 capacitor and connect it with the function generator. So let's copy this resistor. Connect the resistor with the base side of the transistor. Let's get another resistor. Change the value of this capacitor resistor to 10K ohms. and change the R6 to 4.7 k ohms. Right now, connect this R6 to the ground and connect the R5 with the in the middle of this. Next, I have to connect the capacitor and connect it with this node. Connect one side of the capacitor with the function generator. The negative side goes to the ground. There's another capacitor that I need to connect with R2 and R3. So change this capacitor, change the value, which is 47 microfarad. Connect one side in between these two resistors and the other with the ground. So that's it with the CE amplifier circuit. C means collector and E means emitter. So this is the collector-emitter amplifier circuit. This is how you could make it using multisim, and you could use different multimeters to measure the values. You could also change the value of the VCC like to any values you want. You can change the function generator values like the frequency. You could change it to 1 kHz, and you could change the amplitude as per your requirement. So you could also change the units of the amplitude. Here are the different values, and click here and you could simulate your circuit clicking on run. So if you put multimeter, simulate instrument and multimeter, you could get the values for the components. You put it on any components you need the values for. Thank you for watching. This is how you make the CE amplifier circuit. And in my next video, I'm gonna come up with a different circuit, and you could comment below for any circuit you want me to draw using Multisim and show you to you guys. And if you need any help, comment below about any help or any confusion about this circuit. You can comment below. Subscribe to my channel for upcoming new circuit videos, and thank you for watching.